Has anybody else been victimized by their own children when it comes to your lawnmower? I'm out to mow my leaves because if I don't mow my leaves that I just blew will blow right back to where I mowed them from. So I mow them down to make it easier for them to break down into the soil. And I come to turn on my lawnmower and it was already in the on position. See that? It was like that. It was dead. It was dead. One of my children killed my lawnmower, so I'm trying to bring it back to life. So far, it's not looking too great. Been working, charging 12 volt, something percent. What does it even say? Something 39%. Wouldn't you think that it would work then? Let's go on ahead and disconnect the trickle charge and see if this guy will even turn on for me. All right, you're up, you're good. It's not clicking over. Could be due to this guy right here. Hold on a minute. It's not even trying to turn over. Coming to the consensus that my battery is completely dead. Just another something else to, purchase for fun due to negligence.